आज मैं आपको क्रिकेट की सबसे अमेजिंग डायरेक्ट हिट वीडियो दिखाऊंगा जिसे देखने के बाद आपके होश उड़ जाएंगे। खाओ माँ का। तो चलिए शुरू करें।
This time it's declocked. There was no run there.
Now then, hesitation. Oh, it's a direct hit. A brilliant throw. Dipti Sharma is the fielder and Catherine Brunt is a forlorn figure.
Oh, close. De Villiers thinks he's got him there. Well, that is remarkable. A.B. de Villiers might not have contributed much with the bat, but you can't keep...
Gone! And that's the other aspect of this West Indies team. That almost gives them an extra bowler. It's the fielding. Man, they're a superb team when they're on.
Directed is what's needed. Directed is provided. Steven Smith with the directive. Is there anything he cannot do on the field?
Oh, it's gone. What a wonderful throw. One stump to look at. Chris Morris had given up 3/4 of the way down the pitch, and hit he did.
Full toss on this occasion. A hit and she's gone. There it is. They were nervy to start with Australia, but they've settled very, very quickly. Georgia Wareham, the youngster in the team.
वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट में जरूर बताना और क्रिकेट देखना पसंद है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर करना।